Maxentius, the son of Emperor Maximian, seized the city by force in 306, distanced himself from the Tetrarchy, settled in Rome, and tried to start a new era of a united empire. Wanting to improve weakened and plunged in chaos Rome, which was losing its political significance to other centers such as Trier or Milan, he initiated the construction of, among others, a giant basilica on the Forum, which I showed you in the previous episode. Conservator Urbis Suum, the preserver of the city, restored and rebuilt the central part of Rome, but decided to build his palace complex on the Appian Way. It consists of a palace on the hill, a chariot racing circus, and a cylindrical mausoleum, known as the Mausoleum of Romulus. Let's get inside the tomb. The mausoleum measures around 34 meters in diameter and when completed was a two-story structure encased with marble slabs with circular corp and rectangular pronaos and an entrance facing the Appian Way. It looked quite similar to the Pantheon, but only its vestibule and crypt survived to our times. After 6 tumultuous years of conflict with the Tetrarchs, one of them, Constantine, marched on Rome to deal with the usurper. Maxentius decided to fight at the Milvian Bridge near Rome, where he fell. Constantine's army entered Rome with Maxentius' head impaled on a stake. It was during this battle that Constantine the Great converted to Christianity and later briefly restored the splendor and unity of the empire. Maxentius intended to be interred here as the first from his lineage, but his son Romulus, who died prematurely, probably was buried here already in 309 AD. Hence, the structure is also known as the Mausoleum of Romulus. By the way, I mentioned in my previous episode about the Roman Forum that Maxentius might have buried his son there. It shows us that although the history of Rome is one of the best recorded, there are still questions without answers. We're in a round crypt. It features one additional entrance at the rear end. The sun rays entered through the front entrance at sunset during the winter solstice, and through the rear entrance at dawn during the summer solstice. The central pillar features niches in which the imperial sarcophagi were to be placed. The mausoleum is situated at the center of a rectangular open space, enclosed by more than 10-meter-high walls. Their inner side once featured a portico with cross vaults.